Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Huda and today's video is going to be all about editing Instagram pictures. I'm going to be showing you how I edit my Instagram pictures from start to finish. So if you like to edit pictures like a pro, please keep watching, and please guys don't forget to subscribe. So the app I'm going to be using today is Facetune 2. You can download it from your app store. Now I've opened it and I'm picking on this picture. This is a recent job I did on a bride, beautiful chocolate skin bride. So we are going to be working on this. The first thing I'd like to do is to frame the picture perfectly. So I'm clicking on the crop button. Next, I'm going to be clicking on paint to enhance the colors, and I'm going to be clicking on skin. Then to enhance the eye area, I'm going to be using the sky blue color. I don't know, I just like the effect it gave my eyes recently. The eyes I edit, so I'm just going to be tapping it gently across the area I want to edit with. Just tapping gently and lightly. I just like the effects. That's it guys, I just love the effects. It's not too white, it just gives that white bluish effect. For me, I think I like it. I see the before and the after. I just like it. Then next, I'm going to be clicking on paint. That is after skin tone, then there's paint. I'm going to be enhancing the dark liners I used to line the eyes, upper and below, then the under lashes, and also the lashes I used for her to just enhance it a little more. Then please guys, don't make it too obvious. Just tap gently on the areas you need to edit so it doesn't look artificial guys. Tap gently and don't let it be too much. I'm going over to the next part of the eyes, and I'm also just tapping gently, following the lines that the light took away from me. And I'm just going to be tapping it gently too to enhance it. So guys, remember, tap it gently, and that's it. If you can see the before and the after, like it really brought out the eyes more. Then next, I'm still going to be clicking on skin, and I'm going to be highlighting the areas I need to highlight. I'm just going to be tapping it gently across the areas I need to highlight, the under eyes. So I'm using the shades that is, I think, 2 or 3 shades lighter than her skin tone, to just tap gently to highlight it, the bridge of the nose and the forehead, just in the areas that need to be highlighted. And that's it guys. Just tap gently, and then don't let it get to 100 so it doesn't look too artificial. Let it get to like 70 or 80 depending on what you really want, but I would advise it shouldn't get to 100. Then next, I'm going to be brightening the neck, because I guess the lights didn't get to it. So I'm just going to be tapping gently to brighten it up a little. Yes guys, don't let it be too much. You can see the before and after. It still looks real, not too much. Next, I'm going to be contouring, and I'm picking a shade that is think 2 shades darker than her original skin tone, to contour gently. It shouldn't be too much so it doesn't look artificial, guys. Just tap gently on the areas that need to be contoured, the nose and other areas you feel it should be contoured. So that's it, guys. Please, guys, don't let it get up to 100 so it doesn't look like a doll, or the picture doesn't look like a dummy or a mannequin. It should be very moderate so your client would appreciate you better. I don't know, it's my personal preference. I like leaving it like that. I don't know, I just like it. Then I'm going to be adjusting the lip. I'm going to be picking on the color I used for the lip, using the picker and getting the color, and I'm going to be using the tone. I'm going to be clicking on tone and just adjusting it a little, like enhancing it. That's what I'm going to say, so it doesn't look too dull. And that's it. You've seen the before and after, and I did not let it get to 100, guys, so it looks very, very moderate. Then next, I'm going to still be using the picker to define the lip too with a darker shade, and I'm just gliding it across, tapping very gently so it's not too much. So basically that's it for the lip. You've seen the before and the after. I'm just trying to adjust it to be very moderate. So guys, take your time, don't rush it. You just continue to edit till you get what you really want. Then I'm going to be going by 60, not getting it to 100. So this is the before and the after. You can see the changes. It looks very nice and natural still. I'm going to be clicking on Retouch. Then I'm going to be whitening the teeth. And it's not up to 100 still, so it doesn't look too artificial. Then next I'll be clicking on a Retouch. Then I'm going to smoothen it now. Okay, first I want to heal some of the patches I'm seeing there. Just tapping it gently. Zoom it first before you tap, so it removes the acne that you want to heal. Just very gently, like you see the before and the after. Just before and after, those acne were there before, they are no longer there. So that's the work of the heel. Then I'm going to be smoothing the face, smoothing it so smooth. Anyone actually are going to smooth the face, and I'm not using the smoother, I'm using the smooth, and I'm just tapping very gently across the face. Please guys, don't just tap gently, don't just do it too much so the person doesn't look like an artificial doll. Just tap gently and let it be moderate, guys. See the before and after. Before, after, it's still moderate. I'm going to be smoothing the neck too, and that's it. That's it. Then I'm also going to be healing this pimple I'm seeing, this acne, and that's it. Just make it up to what you really want. Then I'm going to be clicking on the paint and clicking on glitter. to brighten the nose, the eyes, because I actually used glitter. I used the pigment on the eyes, so I just want to enhance it a little, and on the nose to make it look more enhanced though. That's it. And it's not up to 100 still, so it's still very moderate. It's still very, very moderate. So in my next video, I might be posting or talking about how to edit makeup videos to post on Instagram, the apps you can use and mix that will make it very, very nice. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section if I'm going to be posting it on my next video. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a like and also comment. Please, I really appreciate if you do that. I'll be super grateful. Then next, I'm going to edit. Clicking on edit now, the first thing I'm going to do is lighten it up a little. So I'm just doing it based on my personal preference, lightening up. Then I'm going to sharpen it a little. I just like doing like things very moderately, so it doesn't like look artificial. I like using the word artificial, so everything should be in moderation. I'm using the color just a little, not too much. Then I'm going to be reducing the brightness a little. I'm just trying things out, and just to see if I would really like it. And that's basically it, before and after. So guys, what do you think of this? Please let me know in the comment section below. Voila, you just need to save it and be ready to upload it on your Instagram. And that's basically it. Thank you so much guys for watching.